Hey guys, this is John from Character Red. So I'm going to start a new segment, probably debut it on next Tuesday. And it's just really going over some helpful tools that I use all the time in my workshop. So I do a lot of burning wood. So a majority of my flags have been used with a torch in some way. And I started out with this. It's just a Bernzomatic propane torch. It's one of the easy kits. I think it's like $21. They might actually have them on sale now for Christmas time. For under that, probably like $15, something like that. Real easy to use. Twist the cap, give it a little flick, and you got a nice steady slow burn. You got a little ways that you can adjust the flame on however you want it. You can draw it down a little bit, bring it back up. So I primarily started out with this, and this is what I learned how to do a lot of my technique on, and it's still what I use for the front facing of my flags. So anytime that I'm wanting to make sure that I get a nice slow burn to where I don't have to worry about hitting it too hard, that way you don't burn the surface that everybody's gonna see. So in order to speed up the process on the other portions of the flag, especially my backs. So if you guys don't know, I finish all sides of my flags. So when you flip it over, even the side that's hanging on the wall is gonna have a full finish on it, and I do this by torching it. So I also used to do it with the first torch that I showed you, and then I recently upgraded not that long ago to this. It's the same tank, same canister, it's still propane. The only difference is I've got a little start trigger, and this is made for like high temps, and it just allows you to get get a really dark burn pretty quick. It's real easy. You got a little button right here. Stick it, push that button down, and it actually holds until you press it again. So real easy to use. Come over to the flag, and I think the first time that I used it, I burned the back of a flag in 55 seconds. That cuts it down, dramatically from using the old starter torch that I just showed you. So I'm actually gonna queue up one of the next videos that I make. I've already filmed a burn on one of my very early videos, burning with this, and I've just captured a 55-second burn, roughly around 55 seconds, with this torch. So nice upgrade to have. It's about $30 at Lowe's, but highly recommended if you want to save yourself some time and you want to get a nice burn and make it look like you finished every side of your piece. So give me some comments, give me some likes if you like this video, and remember to stay tuned to more Character Red videos, and let me know what tools you would like for me to review, and I'll definitely get those videos out to you guys. I really appreciate all 56 subscribers. I've only been doing this for about 2 months, and I've went from 3 subscribers to 56, so I really appreciate everybody.
Hey guys, I just wanted to take a little bit of time. I know I thanked you guys in the little intro clip that I shot in the garage, but I wanted to thank you guys again. It's been a really great 2019. I hope everybody had a Merry Christmas and a Happy Holiday season, and I look forward to bringing in 2020. Some of you guys may not know that I've actually got orders to Okinawa, Japan, so hopefully I'll be able to bring some cool, exciting new videos to you all from Okinawa. And, in this clip, what I was trying to show you guys is how the first torch that I mentioned in the clip in the garage is kind of what I, grew and started to understand when I first started doing some rustic projects or burning wood. This process actually takes over 20 minutes. I think this video, before it was compressed into a faster file, was over 13 minutes, and it didn't even complete the flag. The second video is about 3 minutes, and this is with the second torch. So hitting it at a very quicker pace, and it's getting the stripes a lot more dark. Like I said, I've been finishing the back of the flags with this just because it's saving me so much time that it's honestly worth having 2 different torch setups. And I think I might actually upgrade to a bigger torch, maybe off of like a gas-powered grill propane tank. They have those at Lowe's for like $50, but I like the handheld ones because they're more mobile and they can move around with you a lot easier. But I do understand the need to be able to do something like this fast and efficiently. So I might look into that. Yeah, guys, I hope you guys had a great 2019, and hope you're looking forward to kicking 2020 off with me. I'm going to put some other links to videos, but I appreciate it, guys. Stay tuned.